Be ablaja bi ngmene ko mi flanye ke maleke blamane no ngbeji niayi. I want to welcome everyone who is watching. My name is Niayi aka Ganubi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are watching me from. And today I'm going to share something really how will I say, a little bit funny, a little bit awkward, you know. But if you know no ko ba ye akotolante ni sani e no na akpa ni anokwa noko ye mini wo banye wo le alo kase, you know. Noko ye actually human rights. I think sometimes ke amojulo abake o kai le Kalaba police station, and mostly akucho mi ko me ko ajuna mobo e actually pompa zigiza ke sanike ko ajuna mobo e pompa, you know. Most in our communities, when an armed robber is being caught, normally they lynch him or they put him on tie and then burn him alive.
As at now, if you see this man, he's one of the Nigerian guy who stole in our community and we catch him. But we do not discipline him. We just give him a work. After finish the work, we give him a top and down to wear. As you see now, he's swelling top and down now. So we let him bath. After bath, we give him top and down. He said he will eat 3 boxes of banku with a fish. So right now we brought him to us. The number 1 restaurant food joint we have in our community, which is Wars. This is the Ghan community.
Yeah, I want to say a big thank you to the Ghanaian people. They are very good people. They let me, after stealing the phone.
After what?
After I stole the phone, they didn't beat me. They only took me to do the gutter work. So I picked
after gutter work, what they gave?
Gutter work, they gave me drinks, they gave me water, they let me bath. So now they want to give me food.
And we give you.
I want to say a big thank you.
We change your top and down for you. Is it all right? Yes. So, what be your name, Chama? What be your name?
My name is Aliu John.
Aliu John. So, are we bad people or are we good people?
Ghanaian people are good people.
The Ghan people. Are we bad people?
No, they are not bad people.
If it is another community, like people.
If it's another community now, I would have gone to lose or they would have killed me. So,
but surprisingly, something has just happened in one of the community in Akotolante, just around somewhere in the Jamestown community.
What be your name? What be your name? Aliu. Why do you come and steal in our community?
I wanted to come. I'm a barber.
You are a barber?
Yes.
You know something?
And it's so interesting that there's this Nigerian guy, Charlie. There's this Nigerian guy. That doesn't mean all Nigerians are bad, you know. Just let me clear this. It doesn't mean all Nigerians are bad. There's this Nigerian guy, young boy, 22 years I think, and went to steal a phone. He was successful in stealing the phone. But after he was being caught, the story that follows is a little bit funny. And Julonene Ajune, feel like anagonyo ni like wonyeme ala tabi eko. But no chake anagome fe boyin jam. Aju phone. She phone nene aju bomode in the she phone neno. She mon amole. Na mole ayile inu mokomeko yamine yake aka ile ni amihale Wellington boot ke shovel ni ji Sophie na ha na eje gotami blibo na egbena na hale ni eje na ye town na akele you. You know what I'm saying is that after he was being caught, he was given a shovel and a Wellington boot. They put him in a big gutter that is very choked for him to clear the gutter. Hard work. He wasn't beaten. But most of the times in our community, when a thief is being caught, you either be beaten before the police will come, they will kill you and all that. But this guy was so fortunate enough that he was given a Wellington boots, a shovel to, you know, remove the gutter, make the place clean. And afterwards, the people were so kind that they gave him food to eat.
Come on, the sun. All the sun. Next time, don't count those community to steal. Okay? Next time, I don't know about you. Hey, Naja, where the boot? Where the relative boot? Hey, Where the relative boots? Operation. Hey. If I said operation, you say free or fraud. Operation.
Charlie, where will you hear such a thing? You know, I love my Ghana people so much because sometimes people think Ghans are rowdy, they are some way. But, you know, let me tell you, Ghans are the most kindest people you'll ever come across. Yeah. Very, very kind. You know, we love people. That is our nature. What smoke be me? Gamele what smoke be me? Oh, no, okay. I believe kuma bakuma. Me na akuma wa akuma ku efe fitai. Oh, na what smoke be mo? What smoke boy? Oh, na ngene ko kwega. Boy so yoga. Gameni. Boy fa. Boy po fa fiwo. Bona. Ewo iye nye minu ko na chole Sami Holy Ghost. Leon social media called Facebook. Oba na videos can be ebo modern wa promotes nibi ni ano gamashi ejeme wa ewo leke inyaminu ne na actually sami ejeme ni sani eba matchale ni edwa wo to ngbe eja ke le ejeme akemi ni adunke imeji wo ehia ka oba nu keje okpongo na lenche. So I'll be calling a brother on the line who will give us more information on what actually went on and what happened there, because he was there and he led everything to go on smoothly. So, yeah, hello, Sammy.
Yeah.
Ofane meaning trouble mini ayi. Ofane bo obanyo na to 2 minutes kwa wonu work basane. All right. So guys, I have on the line our brother Sammy. He's popularly known as Sammy Holy Ghost from Gamashi. Sammy, one fella bukemba leke plamane no. Ale no to yote. Oh, wonder new motion. Ni se na wonu ake noko happy Gamashi ni amini mo juloko. Ofane obanyo ogba ho no ni te no.
So na dem doje mo ni ikoni si nje wa se je se ni won ya ni tumo ni ma ya no tumo.
Oh, okay.
Wọ́n ló lè wo mo mi na ye anyi julo e wa kuku ni gidi. Ìyẹn ndi le mo ni ndo ni an wa ta yo we mo bigeni le bo bi aga ngba nje wo yin bigeni ba e basket.
Oh, okay.
Wọ́n ni wo fo ni fo le ni ìyẹn julo ni wa kuku mbi e wo to le tese. Nje me shero na ya shi anyele panya no shi am pa nje o dadi no ke shi ni ki everybody ba ande ya no fit fast ni akokwa nguni agasha ni akutu em ke wa woni shedi me no ngala na na chamela timu kama dali le da bodi ma shi kama no Ghana ma ne bia ne nye gbele me ba nge oji mugo e kupu alu fi nugo yo tuni ni mugo na yo sample se ìwáyé ṣàbò bí àmì lóòlè ní àdéhùn ìjọba àgbà àtàlẹ̀ ìwòlò kò gbọ́n ààbò lóòlè ìwọ nínú ìdí lórí ìfẹ́ àbágbá mi pé ní gáwé náà ti ṣàrẹ̀lẹ̀ lóko àmì àwọn ní wọ́n lè tún ní àkútù ẹ̀ bọ̀ ní gọ́tà ní ìtì àmì àwọn ní wọ́n lè tún ní ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ ìrà yà òun because wọ́n náà jẹ́ gàrẹ̀ community gàrẹ̀ good ìtú ẹ̀mí lẹ́wọ̀n àmì sùmọ́sà ní ní sùmọ́ rẹ̀ because àmì lẹ́ lot of job ní tún àmì àwọn community ẹ̀ wọ́n ní ìgbìmọ̀ gan náà ni mo fẹ́ àmọ̀ yà òun yàtọ̀ òun bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìwé amọ̀ ìjọba ẹ̀ka ni wọ́n á jẹ́ ní túmọ̀ ìṣẹ́jẹ́ ilé ìjùfò rẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọ́n ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ mẹ́ wọ́n á náà ṣí àpì ẹ̀jẹ̀ mẹ́ ọjọ́ mẹ́ gẹ́mú gẹ́gẹ́ ní agátẹ̀ wọ́n ní ẹni tí ní di ìnà ní mẹ́rin ní àkótó náà tiẹ̀ àbẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní gbogbo ní agátẹ̀ ní wọ́n ní wọ́n lé ìgbẹ́ níwá tí ní túmọ̀ wọ́n ní wọ́n lé ìgbẹ́ jẹba gátà ní àgbẹ̀ ẹ̀ka ní gbọmọdé ní èjì èṣì à ọ̀ṣẹ́ àmì yé mọ́ ní nàìjẹ́ pàdé pópó wọ́n náà ètò ìṣe pópó wọ́n ní mílíọ̀nù àtọ́bíọ̀ ó yẹ ní ìlú ẹgbẹ́ ìgò ní ìlà mílíọ̀nù bí ayẹyẹ náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sùn mẹ́ta ní ẹ̀yẹ. Mílíọ̀nù àgbẹ̀ bá nù kọ́ ọ̀bà ló mọ̀ ta lónìí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìjọba ń bìyànjú sí ìjẹ́ òbẹ̀ saná ẹ̀ mọ̀ ta rẹ̀. Ọ̀nà ìbàjẹ́ ní túmọ̀ ṣe wọ́n lè tún bẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀kú ẹ̀ tọ́lẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Ọwọ́ ìwé ní ẹ̀kọ́ ní àkókò ẹ̀ ní mo kúrẹ́ bà. Àwọn 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 afáàtẹ̀ yìí mo kúrẹ́ lọ́wọ́ afáàtẹ̀ yìí sí mẹ́rin oníjọ́ ọbẹ̀ náà mẹ́rin ní bàbá saná wọ́n jí ilẹ̀ kó kẹ́jọ bọ́ ta. Ṣùgbọ́n mo kọ́kọ́ náà yẹ ọmọ mumu ní mú lẹ̀ wọ́n ajílẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ gọ́ta níjọba ìyá ní ìwádìí ìrẹ́ náà fi hàn ní àtàlẹ́kùn ní wọ́n yẹ màṣínì lómi ẹgbẹ́ hàn small web náà tọ́lẹ̀ chama
okay
ìfà Oni akwa ko le anga no. Ye juye tane ni na tale ko gulu ni wo ni ma chaki ale. Ti ma lead le ke ti e a ju fu le ni apa mo fa ya le o. Mo le ti le e gba le je no le ti na ga ro ba gba la ga sumo baba ni si o mo yele. O le ba gbe story atu mo ne. O ni de bo e me ni ba de ne me ni ba te pe ami expect ajo so ni mo na ju ayi le ni o le ga yi le si. Keji le yi e le ta ni abi na mo le ton. O si le. Woni o pale pa ta ni yo. No. Ina go mo du ni wa o be ta ni gara awo se. Ni ati won le su mo le yi e de me. Ni ba te ron gele ti wo se ni ati won le su mo lo fe ron ma ya le. Ba ya wo le pe. Wo le gbe ni gara ga ske ya e ku se mo mo de ni e ku se. O be ga se ku se ni ba ku tu e. E ga si akutu e ngbe. Mo fi mo ni ba na go ke o e ku.
All right, guys. So I'm so sorry. My sound went off, and I didn't notice it was off. So most of the things he said were not recorded. But Kema Yue Noni, Ike now modular. People had wanted to beat up the guy, but because he's very influential in the community, he decided to like either look for a work like a communal labor in the community for the guy to do. So they decided to let him clean the gutters. And as time goes on, they realized that the guy was shaky. He asked the guy if he has eaten, and he offered the guy malt to drink. As time goes on, they realized the guy was very tired and he couldn't do the work. So they had to take him to wash down and some clothes that he's already having there, gave the guy some clothes to wear. And also they bought food for him to eat. And later he gave the guy number, took him back to where he went to steal the phone to apologize to the people there, and also gave him some money as TNT to go home from wherever he's coming from. But one thing that he said some people took him to church. They invited him to church because they saw him in the area. He asked the guy to come back to the area so that people will get to know him. He shouldn't be afraid, because who knows, maybe he might even get friends, and out of that he might even love the area. So he gave him money to go and come back the next day, but he didn't see the guy during the day. But in the evening he saw him and asked him why he couldn't come back, and the guy was telling him, the Nigerian guy, the thief, was telling him that some people saw him and took him to church. So after they closed from church, he was on his way coming. So the guy asked him, so the Sami guy asked him where he sleeps, and he said he sleep under a bridge somewhere around he used to sleep at Circle, but he's currently sleeping at Stanchard, where close to the high streets, a place there. So he gave him money that they are going to see Shatawale. So, Shatawale just came not long ago from America, and they are fan of him. So, they love to ride motorbikes and things after him. So they are going to meet Shatawale, which we all know, Charles Niyama Mensah. And then he gave him money to go and come back the following day. But he said someone called him the next day, someone called him from Medina, that the guy that they did the video of him, because the video really went viral. A lot of people were talking about it on social media, bloggers, and people were just posting it. So it caught the attention from the thief, that is the Nigerian, their brother from abroad, and they had wanted to get in touch with him to help locate their brother. So he said he hasn't heard from him now, so he'll go to Circle and find out if he can reach out or see the guy. So that's what he spoke to us. And I asked him that, is it true that they gave the guy a girlfriend, that's the thief, the Nigerian guy, whether they gave me. And he said, oh yes, one of the ladies, young girls around, had some compassion for the guy, like, oh, such a nice, handsome guy, why is he having this kind of issues and stuff? So he said when they were going to escort the guy, the lady was, there was some kind of rapport between the guy and the lady. And the guy was happy, but it's quite such a good gesture. I've never seen this anywhere. This is the first time, you know. Either they punish you, they make you do something, but as for them to show you love, forget. Not in this country. I don't know what that of how people behave or act towards thieves when they catch them in your country. So I asked him if he can give his numbers out if someone wants to reach out to him for any help or something. So the Sami Holy Ghost guy, the Sami guy gave his number. So I'll put it on the screen. If you want to get in touch with him, you can call him, maybe little donation. He has been doing a lot in that community. So he serves as like a leader or someone who is championing the youth in the area. So thank you so much for watching. Nyera don't want to video ne ka batana gbe ngona you know ina ke many call me je ga me pe call me me ola ha me unkwa me ke America e o ke fe sumo ni ke ga ona blofo afutu ga fi o kuni amena me nu no ni yu o shishin no one ke fe yu ga wonye ke sha ke am Nyera don be kunklo ba pe ngbeji ni ayi come on about this channel. I'll see you guys on my next episode. See you.